Hello everyone. We've all been there. You're working on an important spreadsheet, and then Excel unexpectedly crashes, leaving you with lost data. But don't worry, I'm going to show you how to recover those files and get back to work in no time. First, let's start by opening up Excel and navigating to the File tab at the top left. From there, select Options and then the Save option. You'll see an option for Auto Recover File Location. This is the location where Excel stores auto-saved versions of your files. Next, we're going to navigate to that location. Open up File Explorer from your taskbar, or search for it in the Start menu. Select this PC on the left side, and then navigate to your C drive. From there, go to Users and follow the path shown on the screen. If you don't see a folder that's visible, select the View tab, and then click Show Hidden Items to unhide any folders that were previously invisible. You should see a folder with the name of the most recently modified file. Double-click on that folder, and you should see an Excel file with autosave in the name. Double-click on that file, and it should open up with your lost data. I recommend clicking on File, and then Save As, to save the recovered file to a safe location on your computer. You can overwrite the original file if you want, but I recommend keeping it as a backup. And that's it. You've successfully recovered your lost Excel file. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you, and if you have any questions, please leave them in the comments below. As always, thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial. Goodbye.